What's up guys, Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to help our buddy Brian out with a problem that he has that I'm sure isn't unique to him. He's got a single exit exhaust and we've got a cover for the other side. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so with this kit you're going to receive one exhaust cutout block off of your choosing, left or right. You're going to receive a warning label, and that warning label is specifically for the clips that we're going to use to attach. And they have these really hard, or not hard, really sharp tangs on the inside that are going to retain this to the factory bumper. Just be careful as you're putting them on. When you push this on for the positive fitment, you don't slip off of it and get your finger poked. So let's jump into the install now. All right, so we're down here underneath the car. I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. The car's not even jacked up. We're going to take our exhaust cover, set it inside of the cutouts, make sure it's flush with the outside edge of the bumper, and make sure the bottom is flush as well. We're going to take our little push clips, and I'll show you guys a little close-up of this in a minute. And with our push clip, we're going to basically capture the bumper and the exhaust cover cutout together. All right, as promised, here is the back of the exhaust cutout cover, and you can see the different clips here. We got 4 of them in total, and they are sandwiching the bumper with the exhaust cutout cover.